Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, as you know that we were doing exercise 11.2, and in that exercise we are doing some statement sums. So we have already done up to question number 8, and today we are going to start with the ninth one. Okay, so class, kindly open your books at page number 124, that is exercise 11.2. Okay, so I'll just write down the exercise number, that is exercise 11.2. Okay, so let's begin with the question now. 6 bottles of cake, each holding 500 milliliter, were shared equally by 12 friends at a birthday party. How much coke did each of them drink? Okay, so देखिए यहाँ पे क्या है, क्वेश्चन इज दैट 6 बॉटल ऑफ कोक हैव कोक ईच हैविंग 500 ml वर शेयर्ड इक्वली बाय 12 फ्रेंड्स. तो जो 6 बॉटल्स हैं कोक की, ओके, और हर बॉटल की कैपेसिटी कितनी है, दैट इज 500 ml. ओके, एंड जो वो 6 बॉटल्स हैं 500 ml ईच, तो 500 ml की एक बॉटल है, तो वो 12 फ्रेंड्स ने आपस में डिवाइड की. तो क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ मच coke did each of them drink. This is the question, that how much of coke each of them drink. So देखिए, पहले तो 6 बॉटल्स दी हैं 500 ml की, तो इससे 500 ml ईच, तो एक बॉटल अगर 500 ml की है तो 6 कितने की होंगी, दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. एंड आफ्टर दैट टोटल हमारे पास क्वांटिटी ऑफ कोक आ जाएगी, एंड देन वी विल डिवाइड इट बिटवीन 12 फ्रेंड्स. ओके, सो देखिए, सबसे पहले वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल quantity of coke that was shared between the 12 friends. So total quantity of coke निकालने के लिए we are going to multiply the capacity of each coke with number of bottles. Okay, then we will get the total quantity of coke, and then that total quantity of coke will be divided among 12 friends. तो 12 friends के बीच में divide किया जाएगा. So total coke को अगर हम 12 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे देन वी विल गेट द आंसर. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द क्वेश्चन नाउ. क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 9. ओके, कोक इन 1 बॉटल, कोक in 1 coke in 1 bottle, that is equal to 500 ml. Okay, but here they are having 6 bottles of coke, so coke in 6 bottles is equal to 500 ml multiply by 6. अगर हम each the coke in 1 bottle will be multiplied with the total number of bottles, then total quantity of coke हमारे पास आ जाएगी. So coke in 6 bottles is equal to 500 multiply by 6, that is 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30. तो total coke कितनी, therefore so no, so हम लिखेंगे not therefore, we will write the total coke in 6 bottle is equal to 3000 ml. Coke in 6 bottles कितनी आ गई, coke in 6 bottles is equal to 3000 ml, क्योंकि हमारा मिलीलीटर में दिया हुआ है, तो दिस इज द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ कोक दैट इज इन 6 बॉटल्स. So number of friends कितने हैं, now the total coke is here, now we have to find the coke drank by each friend. या ईच बॉय या ईच गर्ल. सो नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स कितने हैं? नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इज इक्वल टू 12. ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन में हमें निकालना क्या है? द क्वेश्चन इज दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच कोक डिड ईच ऑफ देम ड्रिंक. हाउ मच कोक दैट ईच ऑफ देम ड्रिंक. सो कोक drank by each friend. Coke drank by each friend, वो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? By dividing total coke, that is 3000 ml divided by 12. 3000 ml को हम 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. So that calculation that I'll show you in the next. Okay, so देखिए, this is up to the coke in one bottle was given in the question. So that was 500 ml. Coke in 6 bottles, that we have to calculate. वो हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? By multiplying it with 6. So after multiplying it with 6, we got the answer, that is 3000 ml. So 3000 ml is the total quantity of coke that is in 6 bottles. Okay, now नंबर ऑफ, अब यही जो 3000 ml जो कोक है वो 12 फ्रेंड्स ने आपस में टोटल इक्वल बांटी है. सो टोटल फ्रेंड्स कितने हैं? दैट इज 12. कोक ड्रैंक बाय ईच फ्रेंड, दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. वो हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? बाय डिवाइडिंग द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ कोक विद 12. सो अब हम इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो देखिए, इसकी जो कैलकुलेशन है दैट आई विल डू आफ्टर दिस. सो यू कैन जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो एंड राइट द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, now we have to divide 3000 with 12, and after that we will get the answer. 3000 with 12. Okay, so now we are going to divide 3000 with 12. तो total coke कितना था? 3000 divided by 12. Okay, 12 twos are 24. 6 0. ओके, सो देखिए, नाउ 12 5s are 60 माइनस 0 0. ये 0 बच गया, तो ये 0 कहाँ आ जाएगा? यहाँ. सो द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ कोक शेयर्ड बाय ईच फ्रेंड इज 250 ml. So 250, this is the total quantity of coke that is being shared by, that is being drank by the each friend. Therefore, at last we will write solution. Therefore, each friend drank 250 ml of cold drink of coke. Therefore, each friend drank 250 ml of coke. So this is the solution of question number 9. Okay, so देखिए, question was given that the quantity of coke in one bottle was given, that was only 500 ml, but the number of bottles were 6. तो 500 ml एक कोक की बॉटल की कैपेसिटी थी, तो हमने 6 की निकाली. दैट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद 6. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद इट विद 6, वी गॉट द आंसर, दैट इज 3000 ml. ओके, सो 3000 ml इज द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ कोक दैट वाज अवेलेबल इन दैट पार्टी. ओके, आफ्टर दैट 3000 ml of coke was just that 3000 ml of coke was shared between the 12 friends. And okay, so after how we will calculate that how much coke that each one of them drank. So that we will calculate by dividing the total quantity of coke with the number of friends. So after dividing total quantity of coke, that is 3000, with the total number of friends, that is 12, we got the answer, that is 250. So 250, that is ml or liter? Milliliter. बिकॉज हमारा क्वेश्चन शुरू से मिलीलीटर में चल रहा है, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द मिलीलीटर. सो 250 इज द मिलीलीटर Okay, so this is the quantity of the coke that has been drank by each of the friend. Therefore, each friend drank 250 milliliter of coke. Okay, chaliye. Moving next to the question number 10. If the cost of 1 liter of cough syrup is rupees 480.40 paise, find the cost of 500 ml, 250 ml and 200 ml. ओके सो देखिए 1 लीटर सिरप की कॉस्ट है. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर सिरप इज गिवन दैट इज 480 रुपीज एंड 40 पैसे. एंड हमें अलग अलग क्वांटिटी की निकाली, 500 ml की निकालनी है, 250 ml की निकालनी है एंड 200 ml की निकालनी है. सो दैट इज द क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके, बट देखिए बेस फॉर ऑल दीज थ्री पार्ट इज गिवन, दैट इज cost of 1 liter of syrup is given, that is 480 rupees and 40 paise. Okay, so let's begin with the question. So first of all, let me just erase this. This is question number 9. Now we will going to start the question number 10. Okay, so let's begin with question number 10. Okay, the A part. Okay, so in the A part, the quantity of the cost of syrup of 500 ml. So हमें तो A part में 500 ml syrup की cost निकालनी है. Okay, so the cost of 1 liter of syrup is 480 rupees and 40 paise. Cost of 1 liter syrup, SYRUP, is equal to rupees 480 rupees and 40 paise. That is given. Okay, cost of 500 ml, 500 ml सिरप, ये हमें निकालना है. ओके, वन थिंग जो हमें यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट है जो करनी है, 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 ml, 500 ml. ओके, नाउ ऐसे नहीं करते. इन स्पाइट ऑफ डूइंग दिस, ये कॉस्ट हमने सबकी कॉमन ले ली है. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 1 लीटर सिरप हमने जो बेस इसका है वो ले लिया. ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन 1 लीटर is equal to 1000 ml, 500 ml is equal to 1/2. ओके, द बी पार्ट हमारे पास दिया हुआ है, दैट इज 250 ml. 250 ml is equal to 1/4 ml. 200 ml is equal to 1/5 ml. Okay, so write it like that, this. देखिए अभी कैलकुलेट कैसे हुआ. ये हमने क्या किया, टोटल 500 को डिवाइड किया 1000 से, वी गॉट 1/2. 250 को डिवाइड किया 1000 से, वी गॉट 1/4. 200 को 1000 से डिवाइड किया, वी गॉट 1/5. ओके, सो देखिए आप एक बार ये बेसिक्स है जो अपने लिए एक बार आप यू कैन क्रैम इट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व ऑल द पार्ट्स. Okay, so cost of 1 liter syrup is given, that is 480 rupees and 40 paise. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 500 ml is equal to 1/2 ml. 250 ml is equal to 1/4 ml and 200 ml is equal to 1/5 ml. So ये आप लिख लीजिए. अब इसी को बेस लेके this we are going to calculate all the sums. Okay. So देखिए A part is that we have to calculate the cost of, in the A part we have to calculate the cost of 500 ml syrup. The cost of 500 ml syrup, इसकी हमें cost निकालनी है. So cost of 500 ml और 1/2 ml, वो हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है। रुपीज 480.40 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/2। ओके, नेक्स्ट आएगा 480.40, देखिए इसको हमने इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया 1, बेस में आ गया 2। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द डिवीजन। देखिए कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ml या 1/2 ml हमने निकालना है, तो उसके लिए हमने इसकी कॉस्ट के लिए हमने क्या किया, वी जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइड टोटल कॉस्ट विथ 1/2। सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ 1/2 क्या आएगा, 480 मल्टीप्लाई 0.440, 480 रुपीज एंड 40 पैसे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, दैट विल बी 480 रुपीज एंड 40। क्योंकि हमारे पास अगर फ्रैक्शन को हम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो इट विल ऑलवेज बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद द न्यूमरेटर, okay, and the denominator will be exactly same. So denominator is 2. Now what? Now we have to divide 480 rupees and 40 paisa with 2. जो भी आंसर आएगा that is the cost of 500 ml of syrup. Okay? अब इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे रफ में। देखिए चाहे पॉइंट का हो चाहे जो मर्जी हो, डिवीजन विल बी सेम। पॉइंट यहां लगा दीजिए, 2 will be here. Okay, this is the rough work. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, फिर आपको 4 लेके आना पड़ेगा, तो 2 zeros, 2 2s are 4, ये 0 ऊपर आ गई, ये हमारे पास आंसर आ गया 24020। बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में पॉइंट भी है, पॉइंट से पीछे कितने डिजिट्स हैं, 2, तो यहाँ पे भी हम पॉइंट के साथ पीछे से 2 डिजिट छोड़ के पॉइंट लगा देंगे। सो द आंसर विल बी रुपीज 240.20 पैसे। Okay, this is the division work that you have to do that in the rough. That's why I have done it here. Okay, ये डिवीजन है बेटा, देखिए सिंपल डिवीजन है, पॉइंट की आपने ऑलरेडी की हुई है। इन द मनी चैप्टर वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट। ओके, सो हमने क्या किया था, वी हैव जस्ट सिंपली डिवीजन की थी, एंड दैट लास्ट जब जो भी आंसर आता है, जितने भी क्वेश्चन में जितने पॉइंट के बाद जितने डिजिट्स हैं उतने ही डिजिट्स पीछे से छोड़ के उसके आगे हम क्या लगा देते हैं, पॉइंट। सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ml और 1/2 ml सिरप इज 240 rupees and 20 पैसे। ओके, सो दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ml सिरप। दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ml सिरप। ओके, तो देखिए आपने ये जो मैंने आपको लिखा है इसको याद रखिएगा। ओके, टेक इट एज अ बेस फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस। इन द मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन you will find 500 ml या 500 kg, 200 kg, 200 ml या 200 liters जो भी होगा, so sorry centimeter जो भी होगा, so the base will be this only. Okay, so now moving next to the B part. In the B part we have to calculate the cost of 250 ml of syrup. Okay, so 250 ml syrup is equal to 1/4. Okay, so B part that we are going to do after this. The B part is here. The B part is here. Cost of 250 ml सिरप, SYRUP, वो हम कैसे निकालेंगे, बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग रुपीज 480 rupees and 40 पैसे विथ 1/4। ओके, तो आप ओके, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट टू राइट इट, 250 ml, या तो आप लिख लीजिए साथ में 250 ml और 1/4 ml सिरप। ओके, So the cost of 250 ml or 1/4 ml syrup that we have to calculate. Okay, वो हम यहाँ पे calculate करेंगे. Again with the same method. Again with the same method. Okay. Now let's multiply. We have 480 rupees 40 paisa multiplied by 1 will be 480.40 divided by 4. Okay. So let's divide it. 480 rupees and 40 paise divided by 4. So this calculation we are going to do in the rough. Okay. 4 ones are 4, 8, 4 twos are 8, 0 यहाँ पे है 0. Okay. So can you calculate it? 0 0 नहीं. So we are going to put the 4 also. So दो डिजिट इकट्ठे होता है तो यहाँ we are going to put the 0. 4 ones are 4, 0. एक 0 यहाँ बचा, that we are going to put here. So the answer is 12010. But in the question we are having the 2 digits after the point. तो पीछे से 2 डिजिट छोड़ के हम यहाँ पे पॉइंट लगा देंगे. So पीछे से 2 डिजिट छोड़ के हम यहाँ पे पॉइंट लगा देंगे. So the answer is 120 rupees and 10 paise. So the answer is rupees 120.10. So that is the cost of 250 ml syrup. So this is the cost of 250 ml of syrup. Okay. So देखिए equation क्या था, cost of 1000 ml. Sorry, cost of 1000 ml यानी कि 1 liter of syrup was given. So हमने उसी को बेस लेते हुए we have calculated the cost of 500 ml of syrup, and here the cost of 250 ml, that is 1/4 ml syrup. Okay, so is equal to 480, that is the cost of 1 liter or 5000 ml, and हमें निकालनी है 1/4 यानी कि 2/250 ml syrup की. So simply हमने इस fraction को multiply किया with 480.40 paise. So after multiplication we got 480 rupees 480.40 divided by 4. Okay, upon 4. So you know that numerator is always divisible by the denominator. Okay, so after dividing we got the answer, that is 120 rupees and 10 paise. So this is the cost of 250 ml of syrup. Therefore cost of 250 ml of syrup is rupees 120.10, or you can say it like this, 120 rupees and 10 paise. So this is the cost of 250 ml of syrup. Okay. This is the B part. Okay, this question is divided in 3 parts. Just remember. Okay, just keep in mind that don't get the confused with the length of the question, because this question is already given in 3 parts. So that's why we have to solve it in the 3 parts only. Okay, the first part we have to calculate the cost of the 500 ml of syrup, and in the B part we have to calculate the cost of 250 ml of syrup. Okay, now in the C part we have to calculate the cost of 200 ml of syrup. तो वो भी हम करेंगे. So before that, this is the B part. You can just pause the video here and write down the solution. Okay. Now moving next to the C part. Now we have to calculate the cost of 200 ml of syrup. That is 1/5 ml of syrup. In the C part, we have to calculate cost of 200 ml or 1/5 ml of syrup. That we have to calculate again by following the same method. Rupees 480 rupees and 40 paise multiply by 1/5. Okay, so after multiplication you will get 480.40 40 divided by 5. So we have multiplied 480 rupees and 40 paisa with 1 and we got 4 rupees 480.40. Okay, the denominator will be same, that is 5. Okay, denominator will always be same. So you can put the rupee sign here. So let's divide it and the division that we are going to do in the rough only. Okay, 480.40 divided by 5. Okay, so let's divide it. 5 nines are 45 minus, that will be 3. We will bring down 0, that will be 30. 5 6 are 30. 0 and 0. Now bring down 4. So can you divide 4 with 5? No. So we will bring down the next digit also, that is 0. And it will become 40. So now we have brought down 2 digits simultaneously. So we are going to put a 0 here. जब हम दो zeros division में, sorry, दो digits इकट्ठे नीचे लेके आते हैं, in the division we put a 0 in the question. So now it is 40. 5 8s are 40. Nothing is left. Okay. Now in the question we are having, after the point, we are in the question, in the we are having 2 digits after the point. So in this question also we are going to put a, after leaving the 2 digits we are going to put a point. Okay, question में point के बाद हमारे पास 2 digit है, तो आंसर में भी, क्वेश्चन में भी हम पीछे 2 digit छोड़ के point लगा देंगे. So the answer is 96.08, that is 96 rupees and 8 paise. So this is the cost of 200 ml of syrup. So the answer is rupees 96.08. So this is the cost of 200 ml or 1/5 ml of syrup. Okay, so this is the cost of 1/5 ml of syrup. Okay, so this is the revision is in the rough. Okay, if you want to show it you can, but I prefer just you should do like this. Do the division in the rough. So the answer is 96 rupees and 8 paise. So what is this? This is the cost of 1/5 ml or 200 ml of syrup. This is the cost of 200 ml of syrup. Okay, at last we are going to write the solutions, and then therefore cost of 200 ml of syrup is rupees 96.08 or 96 rupees or 8 paise. So this is the cost of 200 ml of syrup. Okay. So in the C part we have calculated the cost of 200 ml of syrup. Okay. तो देखिए बेटा इक्वेशन जो पूरा था हमारा, that was divided in 3 parts. So the total cost of 1 liter of syrup was given. That was 480 rupees and 40 paise. That was the cost of 1 liter. That means 1000 ml of syrup. Okay, उसके बाद हमें उसका 250 ml की कॉस्ट, 500 ml की कॉस्ट and 200 ml cost of syrup निकालनी थी. Okay, so the question was divided in the 3 parts. So that's why we have solved the question in the 3 parts only. Okay, do the question step by step. You can easily solve it. Just remember in mind, 500 ml means 1/2. 1/2 means half. 250 ml, that means 1/4. Okay, 200 ml means 1/5. Okay, so this is how you're going to calculate the cost of the different quantities of syrup. Okay, so you can just pause the video here for the solution of C part of question number 10. Okay, so with this the chapter is also finished. Now we have done chapter number 11 as well, that is measurement of capacity. After that we will move to the last topic of the measurement, that is measurement of length. Okay, So measurement of weight we have done, measurement of capacity is also completed today. Now we are going to start with the measurement of length in our next session. Yes, and the chapter test is given at page number 125. Try to solve it by yourself only, okay? And I hope that you will not face any kind of problem while solving in this. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next class. So till then, everybody, have a good day.